And so they put a price tag on a peace and quiet, and investors are waiting on any breakthroughs with U.S. and China trade talks. Jane King is at the New York Stock Exchange with those stories and more in today's Morning Business Report.
Good morning. Trade negotiators from the U.S. and China have met in London, and talks are expected to continue today, according to CNBC. White House economic advisors say at the top of the agenda for America appears to be a relaxation of China's rare earth export curbs. If talks go well, JP Morgan says stocks could reach new highs. U.S. home listing prices hit an all-time high. In total, the value of homes in the U.S. rose more than 20% from a year ago, reaching a record $698 billion. That's according to a report from Redfin. The increase was driven by a combination of growing inventory, slowing demand, and rising home sale prices. However, Redfin says with sellers outnumbering buyers, they believe the market will shift to be favorable to buyers in the next couple of months. Stocks rose on Monday as President Trump's officials met with their Chinese counterparts in an effort to resolve trade issues between the two countries. The S&P 500 is only 2% from its all-time high. Apple's annual developer conference was light when it comes to notable advancements in artificial intelligence. The bigger focus of the event, all the changes that are coming to the design of Apple's software. Apple says the lock screen will look like it's made out of glass. Buttons will turn into little glass pills, fluidly sliding over glass rails, and there are new animations, including when answering a phone call. And the average American would pay $2,521 for a day of peace and quiet, while parents would pay about $1,100 more. That's according to a survey of 2,000 Americans, 30% of whom are parents, which explore the importance of quality time to recharge and the barriers to get enough of it. The survey, conducted by Talker Research on behalf of Apple Vacations, pinpointed the dollar amount that people attribute to certain elements of relaxation and found the average parent polled values a lazy morning to themselves at $325. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with your Morning Business Report.